Dear Dr. Daniels, many women across the country are dealing with bacterial vaginitis. Some of the at-home treatments have been hydrogen peroxide, boric acid, suppositories, probiotics, etc. Can you offer any information or advice on this diagnosis? Yes. Again, bacterial vaginosis is harmless. Totally innocuous. It is annoying. You can put it right up there with not even as harmful as pimples. So these ladies are dealing with it. I guess I would have to tell them to get a life. But wait, Dr. Daniels, they have a discharge. It's oozing. It's making their pants wet. Now, of course, for those of you out there, bacterial vaginosis does not burn, sting, or itch. It can occasionally have an odor. So the quickest way to resolve bacterial vaginosis is to first check to see if you're constipated, because a lot of times if you're constipated, your body will try and dump bacteria into the vaginal area. And there you go, bacterial vaginosis. So one way of getting rid of it would be literally to do enemas daily. Or you can buy Vitality capsules. I recommend extra strength. You can get those at vitalitycycles.com and get those 3 poops a day going. Next thing you can do is bacterial vaginosis is also caused by the diet. If you have any kind of packaged or processed food, even if it is organic, even if it is from the health food store, it will aggravate your bacterial vaginosis. Let's give you a few lists. I just happen to have something open here. Okay, bottled tomato basil spaghetti sauce, Nutri-Grain strawberry bar, Skinny Cow vanilla ice cream sandwich, fruit punch bottled Gatorade. I'll give you a whole list. Annie's organic swirly strawberry really peely fruit tape, Minute Maid lemonade, Nutella. What else? I'm supposed to have 30 of these. Where's the rest of them? Well, these are a few. I don't know where the rest of the 30 is that they promised. $27, $26. Smucker's strawberry jam, Special K fruit and yogurt, Silk chocolate soy milk. Read some more. Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce. These are just a few processed things that can give you bacterial vaginosis because of their sugar content. Tropical original no pulp orange juice, high sugar content. Kashi black bean mango bowl. Cliff Bar carrot cake. I'll tell you, they got some imagination. Hats off to the marketers and the product developers. They are really working hard on this stuff. Planters tropical fruit nut trail mix. Dannon fruit on the bottom cherry whatever yogurt. Oh yeah, that'll really give you bacterial vaginosis. Woo! Kellogg's Raisin Bran. The Giorgino traditional crust 4 cheese traditional pizza. Quaker apples and cinnamon. Mott's applesauce package. Campbell's slow kettle style tomato sweet basil bisque. Hope you're getting the idea here. Ocean Spray original craisins. These are all extremely expensive processed foods. People take great pride in being able to consume, but they will make you sick. Healthy Choice sweet and sour chicken.